tractors in Chiro, Chia County, or Sicha Combat. Tractors.
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 No, that one is very simple. I am na kwanza ukuri content, just walk nabona iga bila kitanga video machoge na bugirango. I think this coming week. Just go there. You will find the tractors kanyambo bazibire. Bobasi kanda lichi pare chiguru bobasi nyinge sana. You know this thing about ngachi tractor chachire ngachira niu. I can share with you videos if you want. I have videos in my phone I can share with you. Obeke sekwende yega.
You'll share with me.
Bikole mabobasi. Omobasi yororata ngaki ngabtarizeito akane.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ikobono nakipita vate number plate account vate ate mrefu na boli tegente.
Number plate.
Yeah, county 45. If vate
you know problem ya Kenya ni nyingi sana. Poda ye number plate utakete kuzere kaka kigole barabara.
No declaration ngani.
What governor did? Madina wangagi ongwaye. Ongwaye na komboji ambulance nyingi sana. Akomboye tari kaka ambulance because the money was there. Ogora chi ambulance ni chibasia omanya ko kondisi county to make profits. Okay. What governor has done is to make sure that we own these things by ourselves because we are able to. Chibasia save kuru as pipe area tachire. Chiamakonyere or raise 1 billion and is both the tractors and the tractors are existing. Chikuende chitipa they are on the way.
Okay.
I shared them online recently. They are on the way. In short, whatever governor has bought is not for the sake of himself because you go 2032 now wako bitika account again record.
There's some rumors you can around. Nga the governor's wife is in charge of the county. Is it true?
No. Let me tell you my friend. To be a governor ni kitu ya kikatiba. A governor a county in Simbarati. The only thing, you know, and this thing that is why we see him ndiko choro muswata ko choro. You know muswata ngomoswati yo ngana mojumbe in Kisii a impossibility. What we need is to empower women. In fact, in Jengora Temande personally that I would need a strong woman like governor's wife.
Okay.
That lady is strong. And he is from China. Alikuja huku. He has handled all the cultural shocks. Chagusi. Ngao no mukunga tagaize kere nyomba. No, she's come out. Kokonya bangina, she's come out. Kotenana bantu wate mechando. She is a woman that every man would need to stand with. In fact, let me tell you, each of us need a strong woman behind us.
Sindio?
Yes. Tigato tikungena no nyekera kumusacha kwa itiro mukaso wakore gasi ya mechanics yago wachandikire mugundo. When you go back to your wife, ekera ko receive ya akwana nyuma mapema. Akobero modindo na nyuma mapema.
Is there independence according to your observation as a workers of county, especially CEC county?
There is total independence. Kere CEC igaga kole mirimo yae munne ere kikatiba. I don't believe nga governor nago outside go saka koli bintu gete you keromonto when you swear into the office you do it as an adult of mind sound. So I believe that all these achievements governor kolire na senyo CEC chabere part of the executive ya mokonyire who implement and achieve all these things.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I want to introduce a very sad story. I personally was following you. And at some point I did a video about it. So that I didn't send it. I think I sent you the link.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Where you were attacked by goons. What happened on that particular day before we go to other things?
Issue goons, I think I addressed it in other platforms before.
Just brief.
Briefly is that I'd gone to a funeral and some people attacked me. I was injured. I showed some part of my body. And this is what it was very unfortunate. In fact, the governor regretted the event. You know, sometimes again, followers sometimes there are people who do things in his name. Atari aware. Yani ngabona ngo pose matiangi oge chukuna inche uchaka kumburuka ni insaiga it cannot be matiangi. So one of the reasons why I shook hand with the governor to Kasikananere is because he explained to me that he wasn't aware of the event. And when he followed up on the same, he sent some people to me. Pantenga is not part of it, he's not aware.
Before any other meeting, alisema watu.
Yes, but rende sinjoko gachigwa nkara umuntu nkwanga go taka kukwana nere because rende emotions chire high nebyo. But as we speak, one of the things we want to work on, amagana korunga gunism within the county or anywhere. Gunism is just a term misused. It is following aggressive. Omugusina bwate njira yako unabona ngukwana wala matiange abantu bangitire mutandao, you know. Bakango feeling abanyole gabaraza ko munana, you know. That's how it feels like. And that one should be addressed. I think proper communication, and that's what we want to help the governor with. No, make sure that every development governor call it yamanyakanira. Yes.
Iko in a nutshell, issue ya gunism njalinge too personal chese governor nganero gotomere demand.
Is the no whatever is the issue about aggressive. Of course I was opposing him governor on my own, you know, reservations for now. And they were addressed, and I'm okay and I'm comfortable with it. It is people that are just aggressive. Yes.
We are almost coming to the end of the show. Songa mbele ya kamera bro. Thank you. Encourage as now a young man who is joining the government. Let's have frequent communications from the county government. Tuamaya nkikika saini. Let the county officials, like now at Mukwa times, I would like to have the county secretary or maybe the minister of the county who is in charge of roads. What is happening in the roads? They need to be free to come and express themselves. That's the first thing you can advise the governor. The second thing I can advise you guys to go and tell him is that I should not be fearing anything. Oh yeah, now work content jamatiang. I can show up in Simbara's place and then get content yang.
No.
Really?
We have on the issue of communication. There's going to be enhancement. We're going to be a part of that. And on the issue of content creators, because now many content creators are coming out to say, "Oh, you didn't involve us. Oh, you didn't do this and that." We there's still time. We're going to make sure again. Now we bring all the content creators from whichever side of political side wing. To chichamo to sange bilengeri and see how we can help each other. One of the things we need to do no make sure the creative economy yagusi ya konye kire even if they devolved. Imagine they will national government most of the things, but then we make sure that what government is able to do to help creators akonye creators bagusi.
Ntonyora ngamna nchimukwa ngwaka ya one time ngwekalinga ko ivo ko even tota might.
I don't know why mwa chaka kwegere kokore content as why you are taking political alignments nga no monto one time nga no two time. I think
let me tell you what happens. You know, we are content creators. I do content to get views. If people watch this one more, I give them. You get the point? But when I show up to come and pick something, even if it's positive or negative from him, I should be given that freedom.
That's right. I know populist politics have got a huge following, where every time, man, the issue in campus, kerogo, every problem we created. But the reality is that governor itere following ya paka grassroots just do content for governor. You still have views.
We do content. Personally, I do his content, and actually one of the things I've been advocating for is for him to work with Matiang'i because of his political ability. Lakini bado njira ndo bako mogolera.
Wana ende political ability. Moko renta ngama chagu moko renta mno governor machagu. Nonyena bantu agotoka gali daraja mbili matali. Machagu nanya ko abeka together yonda kwa ndira Matiang'i.
Machagu roche simbara cha Matiang'i machagu narokan.
Well, for us, it's an issue. If you want us, we are around. If you don't need us, we are good to go.
No, you guys come. We need you.
That is for you to answer. The government would answer that.
There's a road they told me to tell you, go and share with the governor. Koru prisons, whether prisons, okay. Ram to prisons, yes, okay, Jogo. It is not in a good condition.